10 years ago, over 1,100 workers died when the Rana Plaza building collapsed in Bangladesh. Workers noticed a large crack in the building the day before, but the garment factories stayed open. The resulting outcry put pressure on global brands to improve safety and protect workers in their supply chains. Brands and unions signed the Accord on Fire and Building Safety in Bangladesh. It made buildings safer and strengthened the rights of 2+ million garment workers. The Accord has been expanded to Pakistan and is used as a model in other countries and industries. The Labor Department has supported training for workers and unions in Bangladesh on labor rights. We also worked with the ILO to train garment factory inspectors on fire and building safety. 10 years later, we continue to strengthen labor rights around the world and hold governments and companies accountable.